basically just 10 straight minutes of me going, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But that's okay, I don't care. I'm not sorry. Stick it up your arse.
Gail doesn't want to do a video. She's already done 3 and she's tired.
I don't think I could keep that up for as long as it would need to. So yeah, this is my friend. He doesn't have a name yet. My guy got him for me when I was having a bad day and not feeling very well. I got a bat, and I love him, and he's really pretty. Look how pretty he is. Look how pretty. So, yeah, he's my new favorite thing, and the reason that I am showing you him right now is because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for months and months and months and months and months and months and months. Well, since October, which is when I signed up for Spooky Box Club. You guys, I have wanted to sign up for this for like, I don't know, at least 6 months, maybe a year. Something like, maybe, I don't know, 6 months, something like that. A long time, anyway, and I'm really excited because, holy crap, I finally got mine. The way that Spooky Box Club works is that they don't really have boxes for a particular month. They just have numbered boxes, and they get them out when they get them out, basically, because they're a smaller sort of deal. So when I joined in October, I wasn't joining for the October box or for the November box. I was joining for the one that they next were accepting new people for, and that was, I think, box number 46, and it's called Going Batty, which is why my friend here is joining us. He really needs a name. I'll have to think about that because he's really cute and he's purple and gold and I'm a child. I love him. So, Spooky Box Club, you guys. Oh, cannot wait. Okay, there's a leaflety thing here, but all it has on it is spoilers, so I'm not going to look at that. The first thing that is jumping out at me is this. It's in a bag. It's okay. Oh, there are no like noodlies in this bag. That's weird. Oh my god. Okay. Excuse me. I'm just quietly dying.
It's a little Batty puffball.
And I guess it can be like either a keyring or a bag clip dangly. What's it? Oh my god, look at its little wings. Okay, I'm already going insane. This is amazing. It's so cute. Okay. Next item is in a little box. Oh, I love this little box. It's so cute. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see these, but they're little teeny tiny bat earrings. Ah. They're so small. They're so small. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I clearly cannot control myself. Okay, so next item is in this bag. I don't know what's in it, but I like the bag. Oh, it's like, oh, there's sweets. So, Fini Boom Vampire Gum. Oh, it's like caramelo super acido. Okay, so there's sour gum. And it's filled, I guess it's filled with something. It's filled fizzy candy mouth painter. So is it gum or is it candy? I don't know. It says both. Okay. Let's see what else we have in here. We've also, okay, we've got 3 of those, and then we've got Fizz Whiz Super Liquid Popping Action. Popping candy, for some reason. But, hey, cool. Okay, next item. The Glittery Bat Mini Garland comes with all of these glittery bats. Oh my god. Oh wait, they're glittery on this side. Look. And they come with like a string to hang them on. Does everyone who gets these just kind of die every time you open one? Because that's kind of what's going on here. I'm done. What is this? What is this? It has a bat on it. Is it like a, what are you? I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Oh, is it, maybe it's like a hair thing? Okay, what is this? It's like a, it's a pin of some kind. Oh, it's a Nap Queen pin. I wish. I'm terrible at taking naps. I can't nap because I invariably end up sleeping for like 2 hours and then waking up groggy and never quite managing to come back to myself before bedtime. Yeah, napping is not a thing that I do. But the pin's cute. But it's not really bat themed, is it? It's got a bat on the coffin, I suppose. But not my favourite thing in the box, anyway. But everything else has been pretty nice. Oh. It's something in a little purple bag. What is this, organza? Maybe. That is a necklace. Oh my god. It's a bit tangled up. But, you know what, I'll just have to untangle it later because look at that. Okay, last item in the Going Batty box is a spoopy bat-shaped silicone bookmark. The Bat Book Buddy. It actually says spoopy on it, which makes me really happy. That makes me inordinately happy. I don't know why, but I love that. And this is, oh my god, this is so great. Just look at him. Oh my god. This, like, okay, I'm dead. Right, so, in Going Batty, which was the 46th box, good job me, we have the custom-made, it says, Glittery Bat Mini Garland, custom-made Wicked Bat Necklace, which
I am now wearing, and I love him.
Custom-made Bat Pom-Pom ring. Oh my god. Okay, custom-made, Going Batty hair stick. So I guess you kind of do the thing. Bat Buddy bookmark, here he is. Custom-made dainty bat studs. They are bloody dainty, they're adorable, they're tiny. And custom-made Nap Queen pin. And finally the Super Sour Vampire Gum and Fizz Whiz treat bag, which does appear to be instead of the different like lollies they were doing, which I'm quite sad about because that was something I thought was really interesting. Particularly the necklace and the earrings I really like. Obviously the Nap Queen thing, I'll have to find somebody who actually does like naps to give that to. Maybe my boyfriend. He's a Nap Queen. Alright, that was my first, that was my first spooky box, but I'm gonna try one of the gum or candy or whatever. This. Let's try one. But it's hard. It's not gum yet. Oh my god. Okay. So they weren't lying about the mouth painting. And it's very sour. This is suddenly turned into a mukbang. Those are delicious. I wonder if they're going to turn my teeth blue. I wonder if they're going to turn my teeth blue. Right, the sourness is going. And so am I. Bye!